Hello and welcome creative souls and creators. Today's video is all about the joy of X-Mix crafting, where art meets mindfulness and creativity turns into calm. In the cozy space, we will explore the beauty and benefits of a string art, jute art, burlap decor, crochet designs, and even button crafts. Each one is a simple way to bring warmth, peace, and handmade love into your home this holiday season. So, grab a cup of tea, light a candle, and let's begin the mindful crafting journey today. The magic of a string art. String art, delicate threads, soft nails, and the creative patterns all come together to form something truly beautiful. When you stretch those colorful strings across a wooden board, your mind slowly shifts into noise to calm. Every pull of the string is like deep breath, grounding you in a personal moment. String art boosts focus, enhances patience, and encourages mindfulness. And during X-Max, you can shape stars, trees, or snowflakes, turning plain wood into glowing holiday decor. It's not just art, it's meditation with color and texture. Jute and burlap, two humble natural materials, bring an earthy beauty to X-Max decoration. When you craft with jute, you connect with nature's simplicity. The rough texture of the fiber remind us that beauty doesn't always need polish, something it lives in the raw rustic charm or handmade work. Use jute to wrap ornaments, wave a wreath, or decorate gift boxes. Make burlap bows, rustic stocking, or table runner with pine cones and twines. These crafts are sustainable, affordable, and full of character. Perfect for a movement, perfect for a mindful, eco-friendly X-Mix. Now let's talk about crochet timeless craft filled with rhythm and repetition. Every stitch feels like a gentle heartbeat of creativity. Crocheting helps ease stress, slow down racing thoughts, and boost concentration. Imagine crocheting cozy snowflakes, coasters, tree ornaments, or mini stocking for your loved ones. Each loop carries intention, love and care. A gift not just for others but for your own peace of mind. Crochet art teaches us patience, mindfulness, and the beauty of creating something from almost nothing. Am I right? If you agree this type of ideas, tell me about these type of things. Tell me about your opinion in the comment section. Now let's move on. Now let's talk about button art, tiny circle of joy. Button colorful, small buttons, colorful and full of nostalgia. They remind us of childhood, of family, of old sweaters and stories by the fireplace. Button art turns those memories into creative expressions. You can make Christmas trees, snowmen, or even dingy shapes using just buttons and glue. Sorting colors, arranging patterns, or placing each buttons with care becomes a mindful act, simple yet deeply satisfying. Each click of a button reminds us that even as the smallest pieces can come together to make something magical. The mindful benefits of crafting. X-Mix crafting isn't just about decoration, it's about connection. Mindfulness. It helps you slow down, stay present, and enjoy each detail. Creativity. It awakens your imaginations and gives you space to express emotions. Sustainability, using recycled and natural materials helps protect the earth Positivity. Crafting releases stress, improves mood, and fills your home with joy. When you craft with your hands, you craft with your heart. Each ornament, wreath, or handmade piece carries your energy, turning your space into a sanctuary of peace. So whether it's a string art glowing on your wall, a jute wrap candle holder, a burlap wreath on your door, or a crocheted angel on your tree, remember you are not just decorating your home, you are decorating your soul. Take a deep breath, enjoy the colors, textures, and patterns. These X-Max let crafting become your form of meditation. Let every cut, knot, and loop remind you you are creating more than art, you are creating peace, joy, and love. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Stay tuned with us. We are trying to bring amazing and unique ideas. Thank you for watching. If you felt inspired, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more creative ideas, for subscribe for more creative mindfulness DIY ideas. Until next time, stay creative, stay calm, and keep spreading handmade things. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, and togetherness. We are trying to bring amazing and unique designs. So write your comment opinion in the comment section. We will definitely try to reply you, and we are happy to see that your opinions is very much meaningful for me.